Meet Litter Robot, the revolutionary pet care appliance that eliminates the chore of scooping, reduces litter tracking, and traps odors. After your cat exits, Litter Robot starts its cleaning cycle. As the globe quietly rotates, Litter Robot's patented sifting process and design separates the dirty clumps from the clean litter, which are deposited into a large capacity, tightly sealed waste drawer below. And the integrated odor trap system neutralizes stubborn litter box odors. Litter Robot's multi-cat design is suitable for up to 4 cats and features a wide opening for maximum cat comfort, appealing to cats of all breeds and sizes. OmniSense detection utilizes laser and weight sensor technology to provide real-time litter and waste drawer levels, as well as individual cat recognition. OmniSense also supports the SafeCat system, which continuously analyzes 4 safety zones to ensure your cat is always safe. The strategically placed Easy Read control panel has an LED display to indicate the current status of the robot, as well as easily accessible buttons for manual operation. The Whisker app can be used to view real-time waste drawer and litter levels, track litter box usage, and receive alert notifications such as irregular bathroom activity and when your litter robot is full. To empty the waste drawer, simply remove the liner and install a new one. Litter Robot is built using modular components that allow for simple deep cleaning and fast reassembly. Its sleek form and compact size takes up no more floor space than a large litter pan, allowing you to place the Litter Robot appliance anywhere in your home.
brand is committed to providing practical innovations in waste management so cat parents can spend less time dealing with the litter box and more time with their cat. Like our LitterMaid self-cleaning litter box that automatically cleans and scoops after every use for 24/7 freshness. The odor control receptacles and carbon filters keep odor contained, while the ramp catches litter particles as your cat exits the box, and the teeth of the litter scoop help clean the lines of the litter box rake for added convenience. Key design improvements allow for better performance and improved user experience. Take a look. An updated rake design and motor offers a more concentrated cleaning pass to remove clumps in one scoop. And the lower scooping rake reaches deeper, meaning it won't break up the litter clumps into smaller pieces for a more thorough cleanup. Plus, the quieter performance means less disruption and added peace for you and your pet.